Hi, it's Tom from Rag & Burn. I thought I would explain my setup here for jointing and planing my oak boards. Boards there, which are going to get planed today, making a 2.6 by 1 metre table. So, I've got an old Wadkin BTS 500, so 500mm wide, surface planing and thicknessing. At the side I've got a Felder twin bag dust extraction. Good dust extraction is essential. Now, because I make a lot of longer tables and it's just me in my workshop, what I also have are some Aigner extension boards. These extension tables are great. You have to set them up right though. There's a little trick to doing that, which I learned after several trips of trial and error. The other thing that is important to set up properly is the height of your planer knives. Knife height compared to your outfeed table is essential. You can get little tools to help set these up. The older machines, it's always harder to get these set correctly. Once they're set, providing you don't go over any pieces of steel or nail or staples, which the wood yards are very good at leaving in the boards for you. A good set of blades lasts me a couple of months. Another important thing, dust. Oak dust is a carcinogenic, so try to have a decent dust mask on if you can do. So, planer blade height. There's a sort of general old school rule of thumb here. I'm not sure if you can see this well. We're sat with a 10-inch mark just on the edge of my table here. If I was to rotate this planer blade, it will lift that 1/4 of an inch. Okay? So that lift will happen along the length of the planer. Again, we're on the 10-inch mark. Rotate the blade, 1/4 of an inch. Okay? Back on the 10-inch mark. 1/4 of an inch. Okay? That means you're going to get flat level boards, especially when you're jointing the size of the boards. Again, outfeed table here. There are even longer extensions where I've got really big, thick, heavy boards, which just help take the weight. Set up for the extension tables. I use this. This little laser level has two ends, a circular output and a flat line output. We're using the flatter line side of the laser, and when I first set this up, I set it up on my flat bed and I mark where that laser goes on a piece of paper. So this, had this for a couple of years now. I've got my flat line across, which is marked out with this thin pencil line. To then make sure that my extension bed is level to my planer, I move this to the end of my extension bed and I have my flat line. So this currently is a little bit low. I've got two lines here which mark the middle, so you can just adjust the foot slightly and move the laser line to the right point. And that is a level outfeed extension.